All right, get back. Over this thing outside. Right there is where we're gonna have it. All right, I'll go ahead and get in.
Where are you going?
Alex, you in the front, and then y'all two can sit right here in the middle. Does it go up down here to the left? All right, I'll just stay on the high line for now. That's a nice boat too. Somebody's looking for that thing today. That's on the trailer too. Wow.
I don't know my own street.
Yes, sir.
What's going on? What happened? Let's have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Your boat sunk?
Yes,
Were you by yourself?
No, I had one guy with me with my cousin.
Do you have any idea where your cousin is?
Yeah.
No, last I seen him,
Is that your daddy?
through the front hatch.
No, it's
The
actually my
next
first
seat
cousin.
hit the back of the boat, came through the galley
And they ain't seen him
into
since.
the sleeping quarters and shot me out like a percolator.
Okay, well,
I landed back on the bow and I told her, I looked over, I said, we gotta go. And the next sea took me off the boat and I don't know how far it took me.
So your whole swim back was by yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How, are you hurting anywhere right now?
My back, yeah, I'm hurt everywhere.
Do you want us?
I'm all beat up.
What do you say we get an ambulance to meet us at the mouth of Gulf Bay and get you to the hospital, get you checked out? Sound like you had a rough night. It'd be a good idea.
They're probably gonna take him to the hospital.
Came off the boat, I was gonna scream like that.
Oh.
Washed up.
I mean, for
We're gonna get some help, buddy. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna get on that boat.
Alex, we're gonna get below.
Yeah.
We're gonna stay below right here.
Take it easy.
Let's move this stuff. Yeah, it'd probably be better to go this way. Let me get this board. It does. Yeah, right here in the middle, and possibly if y'all can both get on both sides of him, just to make sure. And Alex will sit there. Hold it right there. All right, get in. sure to watch the left for things that I can't see. I can see pretty well. Down there. Hey, Alex, you want to pull him over there? Yeah, we can pull the boat back over here.
We're not moving the boat back up, are we?
No, we're gonna wait for them. Be all right.